Hi family, thanks for stopping by. And today on the menu, I have Mexican corn on the cob. And this is what we'll use. I have 4 corn on the cob, which I have steamed for about 20 minutes because we're doing it on the inside. I have butter, chopped chives, pepper. I have some paprika and some red pepper mixed together, some salt. I have some heavy cream, which I'm going to whip until it's thick, and I have some sour cream. And I have some Mexican crumbling cheese. I'm going to take my corn. I'm going to put it on the grill. And we're going to continue to turn it until it's brown on all sides. You're going to rub some butter on. You want to turn them around to do all sides. Don't have your heat up too high. You don't want to smoke your house up. I have the fan on. If it's loud, I apologize. I'm going to let them cook some more. That butter smells so good. I have whipped my heavy whipping cream. I'm going to fold into that my sour cream. And my chives. Oops. Just gonna fold it in like this. You don't want to be too rough with it because you don't want to break it. I'm going to add some salt. Turn them over. Salt. Pepper. Okay. We're going to add. I'm going to do the first 2. Yummy yum. And I'm going to roll it in my Mexican crumble cheese. Woo. Then we're going to add our paprika. and our pepper. And we'll do the next one. And there you have it, Mexican grilled corn on the cob. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. It was fun for me. I hope it was fun for you. And remember to pray. And then pray some more. Pray for her. Pray for him. Pray for them. Pray for us. Pray for you. Pray again. Don't stop praying. Pray. And until next time, my friends, be well.